Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a double Chanel birthday unboxing. Here is the bag. In it, I actually have two different Chanel items to unbox for you. Afterwards, or maybe in a separate video, I'll do a little bit of a story time. It was a really interesting Chanel shopping experience for me. I actually haven't purchased a Chanel bag since what would be my newest one? I mean, it might be the Gabby, honestly. No, I bought a phone holder from Fashion File. I think it was my Chanel Mini from 2018. So 18, 19, 24, like literally it's been 3 years. So I'm just starting to get back into the Chanel game. I was really excited for the new season. We can kind of do the whole backstory of how this came to be in a little bit. But without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So here's the giant bag. And this is gonna be kind of a weird unboxing for a few reasons. All right, we have the camellia on the front, the little bow on the handle, and to start, oh, my nails. To start, let me pull this out. White envelope. Okay, have you seen this before? What comes in a white envelope? This is like, to me, this is like beauty packaging, but we'll get to it. Okay, we're gonna untie the ribbon. See if I can show you the full unveiling. And inside this white envelope is a bag. Because in addition to a Chanel bag shortage, there's a box shortage, there's a camellia shortage. We're desperate for Chanel here. This is very cutely wrapped. All right, let's slowly pull it out. Just like the little Chanel sticker on top, like she's, you can obviously see what this is. Let me see. Maybe I could reuse the sticker or something. Put it on a water bottle. Inside is my medium Chanel boy in lilac with the small caviar and champagne gold hardware. I love this color. Oh my God, and it smells so good. Does anyone else like that? Like the new bag smell? I love this with my complexion. I love it with my new blonde hair. Also, yes, my hair is blonde now. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you would not have the blonde hair update. We went blonde. Saw a new hairstylist and hey, we went there. So the champagne gold hardware matches my champagne gold hair. I just fell in love with this lavender color. It's like such a beautiful neutral. I wear a lot of pinks and I have a lot of pink bags. I feel like this is like a nice, it's kind of like, you know, you could wear it neutral almost as if it were gray. I'm wearing like jeans and a black t-shirt today and it looked really cute with that on. I'll try and insert a picture. So inside, I mean, it's just your classic medium boy. The top. She's so pretty. This is my first boy bag. I tried to buy one in the past. Oh, and it has a second dust bag. Double dust bag. So there's a box shortage, but there's no dust bag shortage. So here's the information on the bag. This is from 21K. I don't know if this will tell you information. Light purple, and the medium Chanel boy is currently 5,900. Mine is made in Italy. It's just the open gross grain interior. And so this is the first bag. And so the second item that I got I think this is where the story time really comes in. So several weeks ago, actually, let me move this tissue paper. I don't know if it'll be making noise. Oh, well, back to the box. The essay was like, we're all out of boxes. There's a box shortage. I owe you one box. And so they were like, when we get a box, we could call you. You could just come in. He's like, I'll text you, let you know when we have a box for you. Honestly, I have trouble, like for Chanel, I keep all the boxes. For Louis Vuitton, I stopped because it just was like too many boxes. It'll be good to get a box at one point. It was like a very silly getting it in this white envelope. Sweet that they tried. And I mean, I totally understand that things are going on with COVID and stuff like that. So I accept it. I just think it's really funny. Anyway, back to the story. Several weeks ago, I went into Chanel. I've been wanting a new wallet on chain. I shared mine very recently on the channel. It's a very well worn, very well loved, well used. And I just thought, I'm at the point now with my Louis Vuitton collection, all my bag collection, like I want to get more into Chanel. I want to, like, I have this dream of like this like walk collection of like a walk in every color, just because they're really usable and wearable and fun. And Chanel's obviously very expensive, but the wallet on chain is like one of the less expensive but more usable pieces, I feel. So I went in a couple weeks ago and I spoke to this essay. He was very nice. And he was like, we really don't have any stock in. And my local boutique is like in a department store. So it's quite small. And, Chanel's very popular. I believe they don't have a lot of stock in. And he was like, but 21K is coming out very soon. And he showed me the lookbook and he's like, we'll write down some items that you're interested in. And I was really interested in this purple color. Actually, I was looking at the mini vanity. They had a blue one when I went in today. Very cute item. I don't love the blue. And the item, it's like a little silly. It's very cute and fun to style, but not super functional. And so we wrote down a bunch of items that I was interested in, and then I made an appointment to go in today. And when we wrote down a bunch of items, like I had put some like neutral, like classic beige items down, like on the list of things that I might be interested in. And then looking at Instagram, and over time, I was just like, what? I texted my essay and I was like, what? I'm actually really interested more in the seasonal colors than I am in going for any like beiges right now at this time. Like I would rather have some of the seasonal colors because I think they're really beautiful, especially the purple that we talked about in the vanity. So I was like a mini or anything like that. So I go in today, like I had my appointment today, and I get there and, not all of the collection has come into the department store at this time. And he was like, well, I did get this boy in the purple. And he's like, I actually think it's really beautiful as compared, like sometimes the colors between the lambskin and the caviar, like the caviar is a little bit darker. This is actually like a really great light color. And listen, it's a stunning bag. Like I didn't think I wanted a boy, but then seeing this color and the champagne gold hardware and everything, I was just like, no, this is perfect. And I don't have a boy, and it's just will be fun to have. So no regrets. I mean, obviously no regrets. I love this bag. I think it's super beautiful. I'm excited to use it. I know that it can be a little bit fussy, but it's fun. You can wear it on your shoulder. I love shoulder bags, all of that stuff. But the item I was really interested in, he said, oh, we don't have it. And I was like, yeah, that's fine. Well, like, let me know if it comes in. And I was thinking about this and I wasn't sure. And then I was like, you know what? I've had a good year. Like, I'm just going to get it. It's for my birthday. It's to celebrate, a big milestone that I had this year at work, and like, just go for it. And so I was like all excited. I was going to get this and then like a little gold card holder to go with it. And then as he was like, he took it into the back to package it up to, as I was checking out. And then he came out of the back and he was like, oh, this just came in. And I was like so excited and so happy because it was the item that I really wanted, but I just had this feeling, I don't know if it's like in my head. I don't think it's in my head. I had the feeling that it did not just come in. Like, I think maybe the correct statement is you just qualified to have this, or I just got permission to give this to you. I don't know. But this is what just came in, and I don't want to be like negative about it. I'm really excited to have it. It just seemed funny. Like, this just came in, and I was like, I don't know if that's true. So I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know if you think this just came in and I'm so lucky at the timing, or if this is like I earned the right to be offered this by accepting the boy, which is a pretty big purchase. When I was like, if I had wanted the blue vanity, like, I don't know, if I had gotten the boy walk, would this have just come in? Like, really, I don't know. Is Chanel playing games? It felt like it. You know, it felt like it. I don't want to think that, and I don't want, I don't want to be some type of way, but I felt it. And like my friend, I was chatting with her and she was like, well, if you felt it, then it was real. And I was like, that's kind of crazy, but yes. Anyway, all that to say, I was checking out and this just came in, you guys. So therefore, this is going to be a double unboxing. Let's see. Am I being like totally psychotic? This just came in. Look what just came in. All that said, I'm super thrilled. And I had already, like, once I had made up my mind on the boy, it wasn't like I was not going to get it. I'm just that type of way where if I've already decided, like, there was no way I could walk away from that color. And I decided, I was like, you know what? I want a piece of this lavender. If you give up a certain color, you're not going to get it back. So, like, if you see it, you like it, you want it, you got it. Otherwise, things don't come around twice at Chanel. Some tissue, card booklet, the item. This just came in. Is that okay? Tell me, did this just come in today? Or was it there? Was it there? Look at her. I mean, the camera's not doing it justice. In real life, so stunning. I mean, so stunning. This is my first, obviously, my other wallet on chain's so old. Of course it has the other piece, but this is the first with the magnetic closure and the new zippers, which are very cute. The chain is silver with the rainbow metallic woven through. It's so stunning. It's just such a beautiful, and this also almost, in a weird way, reads neutral to me. I mean, I knew I needed it. I had to have it once I saw it. And it had just come in. So this is the second piece that I picked up for myself. This is like what I was originally seeking. Let me see if the tag thing is in here. Sometimes they confiscate them. I know, here we go. So this was $3,075. This is the silver, blue, yellow, purple color. Also new to 21K, that's the tag. That's the item. So that is my kind of crazy. This is not every day, okay? This is like not gonna happen again tomorrow. But this is the haul. Very purple, but like, oh, stunning. Stunning. And I love this bag. So I don't wanna feel weird about it. I don't wanna feel weird about it. You know what? I don't feel weird about it, but I'm just like, that is like my joke. Guys, this just came in. Just now. All right. That's it. That's my happy birthday to me. And congratulations to me on my work achievement. And this is how I'm celebrating. truly a unicorn. A unicorn. Like, this is just the grain of the leather. It is stunning. I almost like the back more. I like them both. All right, guys, that'll do it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and otherwise I will talk to you later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.